Hey Subbies, I'm here to share with you 25 fun, creative, exciting video ideas to help you when you're in need of some inspiration. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of the amazing, fun-filled videos that I have to share with each and every one of you sensational Subbies. Let's get into these wonderful video ideas. A what's on my phone or iPhone can be an incredibly fun video to film. The ways I found of doing this are using a screen recording app on your phone. If you're using an iPhone, you just simply slide up and there will be an option that looks like a record button that'll start a screen recording that you can have either audio or no audio when you're doing your screen recording, or you can record your phone screen using your camcorder by placing your camcorder behind your phone and using the viewfinder of the camera to display all of your apps and to explain all of the customization that you have on your phone. There are two wonderful ways of doing this. I hope these have helped you. Who Knows Me Best, where friends and family can see who knows an individual the best. This can be a lot of fun to film and share. A room tour where you show off your room, things in your room, posters or wallpapers. This can give a lot of inspiration and creativity to those who are wanting to seek some inspiration to create an even more custom look for their bedrooms. Handcuffed for 24 Hours challenge, where you use a pair of handcuffs and you're handcuffed to another person and having to compromise with them to be able to complete tasks. Sister, brother, dad, mom, do my makeup, where you lay out makeup products and you have a family member apply the makeup to you any way they want to, and you can't tell them what the makeup products are or where they go. It can also be fun to share these makeup results on Instagram as well. Share your bucket list of things you want to accomplish in life. Share your favorite TV shows or movies that you like watching on Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon Prime. This can definitely be a lot of inspiration for others when you're looking for new shows or movies to watch, and your Netflix list, Hulu list, or Amazon Prime list becomes as never-ending as your library list. Mine have done that. Share tips for organizing your desk or office space, because everyone can enjoy tips to make their lives more manageable and less chaotic when it comes to outstanding organization. Sibling, parent, or friend picks out your outfits for the week. This can create some really creative and customized outfits that you never would have experienced otherwise. SIRI plans my day for me. You can select two options and assign them the label of heads or tails, then tell SIRI to flip a coin, and whichever the result is the choice of the activity or decision. This can be a lot of fun and a really creative way to make some decisions, and also include the wonderful technology in our lives that can make things a lot more easier and also a lot more creative and fun. Blindfolded drawing contest. You and a friend or family member try to draw objects or scenery blindfolded and see who gets the most right. Case collection of your smartphone cases, and include in the description where you got them by including the link to the website or a link to a similar case if the case that is being shown can't be found, because it can inspire others when they get the desire to do some online retail therapy. I have some case collections for my iPhone 6s and my iPhone 4, and I'm going to be doing a case collection soon for my brand new iPhone 8 and the cases I'll be getting for it. What I Eat in a Day, where you share a day's worth of meals, meal preparation and presentation of all the meals that you eat in a typical day. Get to Know Me, where you share fun facts about yourself and can also share some funny stories or memories for viewers and subscribers to get to know you better. Tips for editing your Instagram pictures. You can share the process of how you edit your photos to share them on your Instagram. The easiest way to do this is using a screen recording. It can inspire a lot of creativity. And to do screen recording, if you're using an iPhone, you simply swipe up and you hit the circle button. That will start a screen recording, which you can use either audio or no audio for recording your screen. Share how you create your thumbnails for your YouTube videos. I also have a video explaining how I create some of my YouTube thumbnails. I'm going to be linking my videos in the description box below of the ones that I've done, so you can check them out for some inspiration for yourselves. Share book reviews of books that you've read, what you've liked about them, and other books from the author that you're excited to read next and why others should read the book. A wonderful way to also do this is to use the hashtag of the book title and the hashtag of the book title combined with the author's name, as well as using different variations of it, such as the author's name combined with the book title. The genre of the book, the title of the book with the genre, can create some really wonderful tag ideas for your YouTube videos if you're doing some book reviews. Backwards challenge, where you and a friend or family member compete to see who can say the most words backwards. Tongue twister challenge, where you and a friend or family member compete to see who can complete the most tongue twisters. Boyfriend or girlfriend tag, where you ask your boyfriend or girlfriend questions about your relationship to see how well they know you and the moments from your relationship. Tips for starting a YouTube channel, because there is no better way to inspire and help others than by sharing your own experiences and tips and tricks you've learned along the way that allowed you to create the successful and fun content that you share on your YouTube channel. Share ways that you can design your own iPhone cases or phone cases using collages that you can put into the back of a clear phone case, to decorate cases with stickers, or painting the case to create unique designs, or even wrapping paper to create many fun and creative festive designs for some truly unique and fun cases that are a joy to use. Share a playthrough of a video game or a game in the App Store that can help others who are wanting to try out the app or game for themselves but are unsure of what to expect, or to be able to help those who have gotten stuck. Share a day in the life where you take viewers along for a day in your life. Travel vlog, so others can be inspired when you share memories and photos of an amazing trip you went on, so that others can enjoy the inspiration you've provided them of things to do and see when they travel. Or they can also admire them from the comfort of their own couch or bed. I can't wait to find out what your amazing 25 video ideas are. Make sure you share them in the comments below. I'd love to read them. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing videos that I have to share with each and every one of you sensational subbies. Make sure you follow me on my social media. My Twitter is Comedy Addict, my Instagram is Comedy Creation, and I also have some amazing, beautiful merch on my bonfire, which I'm also going to link in the description box down below. I have some adorable tote bags, t-shirts, kids clothing, and they all support the amazing message, sensational smiles go for miles. I can't wait to see you in my next video, subbies, so until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you in my next video. Bye, subbies.